The city moves fast, never waiting. Yet along the Suzhou Creek, some choose to slow their pace while dancing in step with the times. Here, by the Suzhou Creek at number 652 Changshuo Road, stands the Shanghai International Fashion Education Center. She is not a backdrop to the city, but part of it. Born from industry in September 1955, today she faces the world, yet never leaves industrial roots behind. One college, many pathways. Santa University, Shanghai Open University, and Shanghai Textile Industry Workers College serve learners on different levels. Full-time undergraduate and adult continuing education run in parallel, regardless of age or background. Anyone who believes knowledge changes lives can find their place here. Well-equipped labs and training facilities raise the standard of all academic programs. Design is not just about theory, but displays a fusion of art and technology. Here we see teaching closely aligned with the industry and the market. From classroom to runway, every student's idea and application takes root and grows. As the Shanghai training base for the World Skills Competition and the National Skills Competition in Fashion Technology, SIFEC draws on deep industry expertise to cultivate young talents, prepare them and guide them onto the podium. Fashion education is an interactive system across fields and levels. Here, design goes hand in hand with industry logic and business pathways, enabling learners to grow rapidly. Through learning, practice, and study visits, they turn to become international. Education is more than instruction. It's cultural exchange and dialogue. Each learner reflects this global education ecosystem, mirroring the latest trends and frontier thinking in fashion education worldwide. SIFEC's fashion education keeps expanding pathways, innovating models, tracking global fashion currents, and building a thriving fashion ecosystem. In Shanghai, there are always those who set out from SIFEC and go further. For 70 years, she has always been asking the same question. How can education truly serve industry? How can industry truly support human growth? The answer lies within herself. From industry, for industry, this is the path she has always followed.
Happy anniversary. Ciao. Ciao.